Over time and use, your grill will require some maintenance to ensure the stainless steel looks its best. Using the Napoleon Stainless Steel Cleaner Restorer and the Polish Protector will ensure the stainless continues to shine. Pro tip: the Cleaner Polisher is a very powerful product, and if left on too long could remove painted surfaces or the control panel printing. Be sure to follow the instructions. Spray the surface of your grill with a stainless steel cleaner restorer and leave on for 1 to 5 minutes. Wipe away any grime with a microfiber cloth in the direction of the grain. Thoroughly rinse all surfaces with clean water to neutralize the cleaner. Wipe dry. Spray on the stainless steel polish and protector. Wipe with a microfiber cloth in the direction of the grain. For routine cleaning, simply use the polish and protector. To keep your grill looking great, use these tips during your regular grill maintenance. Happy grilling!